So I'm Scott Haney, and I'm Senior Director of Operations for Envision Dallas. We hire people who are blind or visually impaired and create manufacturing jobs for them. We're pleased to work with UT Dallas on a couple of projects, 3 different projects. And I think we've had different levels of success with the projects, but we learned something on all of the projects. The most difficult project we gave was bobbinless sewing. That project was not successful, but we learned a lot about things that we did not understand and can potentially grow with that information to improve our production capacity going forward in that line. So I would say it was a success. All 6 team members were engineers that we would hire. We were really pleased with every one of those kids. And our second project was acetate insertion. We make retirement binders for the United States Air Force, and inserting acetate covers the actual certificate, and doing that is done manually right now by a blind person. We wanted to do that automatically or semi-automatically. So the acetate insertion process, the concept is sound that the team developed. It's not successful completely right now, but with some tweaking and adjusting, I think it is possible that we'll end up with a machine or a processor system that can be applied to our current process. And the final one is corner ribbon attachment of the same kind of a system for awards or certificate holders for the government or for the military. And these ribbons, corner ribbons, need to be attached with currently with tape, or they're melted with hot staking. And this project was to change that process to apply glue, so we could use 2 different types of ribbon, either acetate or ribbon or polyester. And that project also had many ebbs and flows because it was a really large undertaking to try and replicate an automated machine to do all of the things that are required to make a ribbon, attach a ribbon to a moire board. When we scaled the project back and made it something that was more attainable, this team created a glue process, which ultimately has created something that we will be able to attach or retro to our current machine, and it'll be something I think we can start using very quickly. So I'd say that team is the one that I thought was not going to be successful when we started the project because it was such a big project. The bobbinless sewing machine is the one I thought would be absolutely successful, and acetate insertion was somewhere in the middle, and it completely flipped. So it was a very good experience for us at Envision Dallas, and we're delighted to have been a part of it.